Kampala is Uganda's national and commercial capital. It's located in central Uganda, seated on the beautiful shores of Lake Victoria, the largest freshwater lake in Africa. Lake Victoria is also the source of the River Nile, which flows north via Sudan and Egypt into the Mediterranean Sea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your city and country. I would love to know where you're watching from. Kampala is a beautiful, vibrant, and fast-growing city with its own unique charm. The Kampala metropolitan area is estimated to be home to over 4.2 million people, both locals and foreigners from all over the world. While Kampala is Uganda's economic hub, it hasn't always been like that. Business started in the late 19th century to early 20th century with the establishment of Nakasero markets in 1895 and the establishment of dukas or shops in 1901. However, Entebbe was the first capital city of Uganda from 1894 until 1962, when Uganda gained its independence and Kampala became the capital. Kampala is one of the 146 districts in Uganda and one of the 11 official cities in the country. It's the most entrepreneurial city and business hub of Uganda. It has 5 administrative divisions, namely Central, Kawempe, Makindye, Nakawa, and Rubaga divisions. Over the years, there have been major improvements in infrastructure with new roads, modern buildings, and better city planning that continue to transform the skyline of Kampala. The new notable developments are the Pension Tower, which is currently the tallest building in Kampala. It's located on Lumumba Avenue, right on Nakasero Hill. The central tower stands tall with 32 stories, while the 2 side towers have 10 stories each. Construction began back in 2008, and as of now, it's said to be 70% complete. We also have the new Supreme Court and Court of Appeal buildings near City Square, the iconic Mapera building, which serves as the head office for Centenary Bank, the new Pioneer Mall, the NDA Tower, the new Nachivubo Stadium, and many more impressive structures, lighting up Kampala's skyline, giving the city a fresh and modern look. The city center of Kampala informally has 2 sections, Uptown and Downtown Kampala. Uptown Kampala is where you find the Uganda Parliament, government bodies, TV stations, top hotels, historic churches, embassies, and lots of beautiful greenery. Downtown Kampala is often called organized chaos by the locals. It's the busiest part of the city, filled with shops, markets, street vendors, public transport, matatus, and border borders, and hustlers making a living daily. Downtown is literally the heartbeat of Kampala. Traffic jam in Kampala can be a real nightmare. But the Kampala Capital City Authority, together with the government, have been working hard to ease congestion in the city. The new flyover project has made a big difference in improving the flow of traffic in and out of the city. Drivers are now enjoying the smoother, wider roads, while pedestrians are loving the new crossing bridges that make movement a lot easier and safer. The main modes of transport in Kampala are border borders. Those are motorbike taxis. They are quick and maneuver traffic. Taxis or matatus are the blue and white minibuses. These go to and from every corner of the city. They are the most affordable and reliable means of transport, but they get stuck in traffic a lot. The borders and taxis are so many in the city, they bring a lot of traffic every day except on Sundays, which tend to be less busy than other days of the week. Whereas the city center of Kampala is mainly administrative and commercial, other parts of the city are residential. You will find private homes, rentals, and Airbnbs. The residential neighborhoods range from affordable to upscale. It all depends on your budget and lifestyle. Rental prices can range from 200,000 Ugandan shillings to over 1 million Ugandan shillings, depending on the condition of the house or room and its location or neighborhood. Well-earning Ugandans live in private homes within residential estates. Buying a fully finished, ready-to-move-in 3-bedroom bungalow in a nice estate can cost around 300 million Ugandan shillings and above. Of course, it's much cheaper to build one yourself if you have the time and patience. Ugandans have the option to either lease or own land in perpetuity in Kampala and anywhere in the country. Foreigners, on the other hand, can only lease land for up to 99 years according to the Ugandan law, unless they explore other options like local partnerships, among others. That said, many foreign nationals from neighboring countries like Eritrea, Ethiopia, DRC, South Sudan, and Somalia live and work in Kampala, and many run thriving businesses in the city. Ugandans are known for being friendly, peaceful, and welcoming, so it's easy to feel at home. Life in Kampala can be beautiful and fun if you're willing to work hard, but like any other country or city, it's not perfect. Some of Kampala's residents live along the shores of Lake Victoria and depend on it for their livelihood. They engage in activities like fishing, selling sand, tour guiding, farming, among others. Lake Victoria is also a source of hydroelectric power, domestic water supply, a balanced climate, tourism, and much more. It plays a major role in Kampala's economy and the daily life of its residents. From the hustle of downtown Kampala to the greenery of uptown Kampala to the calm lakeside views, Kampala truly has a vibe of its own. If you're thinking of visiting, you will surely find something to enjoy in this city. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on the city where you're watching from. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.